Hi Sunshines, welcome back to our channel. I'm TaylorAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And together we are MADCURLS. And welcome to another MADCURLS March Madness giveaway. This week it is going to be a voiceover because if you are alive and breathing in the world, then you know it's in shambles. And so we're just trying to adjust and get stuff together. So this week it is a voiceover, but the giveaways don't stop.
Nope.
This week we are partnering with Alikay Naturals.
One of our favorite brands.
Yeah, they sponsored this week's giveaway, so thank you to Alikay Naturals.
Yes.
They have allowed us to give away again 2 bundles. This week the bundles will be the same for YouTube and Instagram. Mother, why don't you tell them the 4 wonderful products that they get if they win?
The 4 wonderful products that you will be getting if you win this week will be the Alikay Lemongrass Leave-In. We have the moisturizing black soap. I guess we should probably reverse the order, right? You wash your hair first and you put the leave-in in. And then one of our favorite styling products, which is the... okay, I'm sorry, guys. I'm reading from the computer. I'm sitting across the room. The creme brulee. And one of our favorite deep conditioners is the avocado... What is it?
Cream.
Avocado cream. Guys, I'm useless today.
So it's a shampoo, moisturizing black soap shampoo, lemongrass leave-in conditioner, one of like their #1 products, definitely one of our #1. We love the lemongrass leave-in conditioner. The creme brulee, which we love to pair with the lemongrass leave-in, and the avocado cream deep conditioner.
Yeah, that was the one that really turned us on to the to the brand.
So it's basically a whole wash day. You wash your hair, you deep condition it, leave-in cream, boom, there you go.
There you go.
So a whole wash day. We do have videos on all these products. We actually have so many Alikay videos that we have an Alikay Naturals playlist, which I highly suggest you guys check out because Alikay Naturals really is a great brand.
Yes.
Definitely check those videos out. All right. Let's get into how you can win. So on YouTube, you have to, of course, be subscribed to the MADCURLS channel. And Mom, what should they comment down below in the comments?
This week we are looking towards commenting something positive. We all could use a little bit of positivity. So nothing like pat or something that we're going to tell you to say. Just kind of like think of something positive, something that has kind of helped you, that has helped bring you through this week. And will continue to propel you forward during this time that we are all in shambles.
Yeah, it could be anything. Something exciting that happened to you this week, a quote, an event that's coming up, or just what you've been doing while you've been in quarantine.
What about, right? Or any tips like how to get through? What are people doing? So
just leave a comment, and it has to be positive. Just something good.
Yeah.
In the comments, and so we will be picking from those comments. We have been putting these giveaways through a generator, and it pops somebody out. So we'll be doing that again this week. Okay, how you can win on Instagram? You will see a post that looks like this. The post should pop up on the screen, and like this post, make sure that you are following MADCURLS and Alikay Naturals on Instagram, and tag 2 friends in the comments, and that's how you enter to win the Instagram giveaway. All of the Instagram rules will be on the Instagram post, and the YouTube rules we will put in the description box if you need to read them.
And enter only if you want to win. We are finding that people are entering and disappearing, and really we are trying to track people down.
The YouTube winner was the 3rd time we had to do it. Like 3 days after the giveaway ended, we were still picking a winner because 24 hours went by, we didn't hear from the person. 24 hours went by, we didn't hear from the next person. So you could have won last week. It could have been you, but you just didn't see our reply to your comment. So how we are going to get in contact with you is we are going to comment on your comment on YouTube. So if you comment something positive and your name pops out, we are going to go to your comment and say, congratulations, you have won this week's MADCURLS March Madness giveaway, and da-da-da-da. And please email us. You have 24 hours to email us, and that's, by the 3rd person, we literally sent it in like 30 seconds later. We had an email, boom, she was on it. So you have 24 hours. If you don't get back to us within 24 hours, we do delete our comment and we pick somebody new. So
So enter only if you are going to be staying on those comments to look to see if you won.
Yes. So the giveaway is going to run from today, Friday, March 20th, and it will end on Monday, March 23rd. We will pick our winner then. This is U.S. only, and I think that's it.
I think we covered it all, right?
Is that it? All right. So happy entering. If you do not win this giveaway, that's okay. We still have 2 more coming up, actually. So 2 more awesome brands are in. So don't be discouraged. All right, I think that's it.
I think that's it.
All right, guys, we will
Okay.
see you in our next video. All right, bye.